So ayan mga kalindog, punta tayo ng park. I'm gonna bring all my dogs. Ayan, maglakad tayo. Lakad-lakad dahil maganda yung panahon. At ayan, sabi ng weather bureau, it's uulan daw later. But anyway, kailangan ko din lumabas or we need to go down because there it's waiting. O, diba? Gusto niya nang lumabas. Masyal tayo, maganda yung panahon, mainit-init. So, kaya titignan natin ngayon kung hindi masyadong malakas yung allergy. Kasi sa labas, guys, ang lakas ng allergy ko. Nagkaka-allergy ako when the sun is very shine. Tapos mayroong konting lamig at hangin. Ayan, nagkakaroon ako ng allergy, nangangati yung my eyes is itchy, my throat is itchy, ayan, talagang itchy lahat. Buti na lang, ito na lang ang nag-itchy sa akin, hindi ang, no, it's a joke. Okay guys, punta na tayo ha. So let's walk there in the park. So, come on.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away.
Guys, I'm here in the park. You see, you hear the bird sound or the sound of the birds. Well, because it's summer, it's a beautiful day. But I really don't know where they came the bird sounds. I think in this tree, guys. Ayan. Oh, it's beautiful weather now. I'm really appreciated the breeze of the summer. Oh, diba, guys? They are very presko na here. So ayan. And then where we're going, and I show you what I'm going to eat today. Of course, the spargel, the German spargel, and of course I'm gonna eat the rest of my barbecue. But guys, or mga kalindog, look at in the sky. Ayan, the bad weather or the rain is coming soon, o, diba? But anyway, that's why I'm go out with my dogs. Oh, you see, I am just, you see guys, oh my god, why I'm so beautiful, Charles. Oh guys, if you really smell the breeze, like a summer breeze, oh, it's really, definitely you will in love it, or you will like it. So ayan. So I am in the park. I am bringing all my dogs. And there we go. And did you hear also now the airplane? There we go. I show you where's the airplane. I don't know if you see the airplane. But anyway guys, so far. So ayan. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you're always notified with my new videos. Let's enjoy, guys. We need to enjoy life. Life is too short, remember. Ayan, so there we go, mga kalindog. I think Victoria's going to hello. Yeah, bei Essen immer Graf. Deshalb ist kotzen. Genau. Ja. Tschüss, schönen Tag noch. Oh, diba? That is, guys. You see, when you're walking, ayan, with your dogs, you will find somebody always nakukyutan, or they like also, or they love also the dogs. So ayan, but sometimes ayan, we can find also somebody who doesn't like the dog. They are very you know, ayan. So that's why I fight sometimes, because they don't like the dogs. But anyway guys, ayan, this park, they have also the Kinderplatz or Kinder play playground for the kinder. Ayan mga kalindog. Ayan, I think they're gonna rain today, mga kalindog. Hopefully, no, because I'm going to bike again. Oh, they're starting raining. And there is Douglas and Victoria. So ayan guys, I'm going to eat now. After I'm going home, I will show you what I'm going to eat. Okay? So, mga kalindog. Ayan, diba? We need to enjoy only. And hi everybody! Ayan. So, bye! See you later. I will show you what I'm going to eat, okay? Ayan guys, I'm home now. I'm going to eat now guys. Ayan. Magluluto tayo ng spargel. And of course, ito yung Hollandaise sauce. So, ayan, at meron tayong, of course, yung natirang barbecue. So, pakita ko sa inyo anong kakainin ko, ha? Let's see. Show. Told you, hon. Esther, this is for you. I have my green.
Sonst sitzen wir in der Falle. Überall sind die Straßen von Bäumen versperrt. Hier lang.
Ay mga kalindog, ang swerte ko, uwi na kami ng dogs ko because it's raining. Look at guys, oh, it's summer but it's raining. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo ha. Ayan, oh, diba? It's raining. Oh my God. Guys. Diba? Ulan siya. It's raining. Oh, diba? Ayan guys, oh it's wonderful, it's raining. O diba? Buti na lang umuwi na kami. We went there, oh, you see that? Yun, doon sa park na yun. Naglakad kami doon, over there, from there, and here. Ayan, makit kami din at the back. So ayan guys, I show you. Diba? The raining. Buti yung ganyan, it's better, it's raining today. So, they go all the, what do you call it, the pollen, the allergy, they make me allergy, they gonna go out. Ayan, they go down, they bring the water. So ayan, so kaya patapos na rin ang aking allergy. So ayan mga kalindog, diba? At ayan ang aking mga halaman, this I will plant guys. Ayan, diba? And this I bought it today. Ayan, and of course may basilicum. So ayan mga kalindog, diba? So, we're here making the barbecue, of course. So, ayan mga kalindog. Bye! Ayan mga kalindog, thank you for watching. Thank you. I hope that you enjoy my short video. I love you all. Bye! Ayan, diba beautiful my garden. Charot. So, bye! Thank you! Thank you for watching. Mwah.